Hey y'all, welcome to Random Bits of Randomness. I'm Isaac, and today I'm going to be telling you why I canceled this amazing service you see right here floating in the sky, because I don't have a physical representation of it, Shadow PC. And if you're looking around like, oh my gosh, it's so festive, no, we're in July, or whenever you're watching this, just ignore the festivities. They're probably not going to age as well as the video will. Crossing my fingers, hopefully the video ages well. And I'm doing this video because about 5 months ago, I did a video that you can see right here about how to set up your phone to run Shadow PC to your Quest and run PC VR from your phone wherever you are. So I'm now canceling Shadow PC and replacing it with this bad boy. Knock down this forest to give it room. And the question is, why would I get this monstrosity when I've got that other video telling you all about Shadow PC? And if I got this, should you just skip Shadow PC and go with the PC yourself? And cutting to the end, I don't think so, because I think Shadow PC will give you a chance to kind of test the waters and see if you're interested in it. And then maybe upgrade it yourself or upgrade to some of the new stuff that Shadow's actually adding right now and going to add in the future. And that's what we're going to go into on this video. It's going to be a lot quicker than most of my videos, and I've got notes here. So I'm not reading a script. I do want to make sure I get everything, though. So I'm going to first go over all of the good things and sing praises of Shadow, just so you understand like some of the benefits of Shadow. One is its price. This guy right here cost me out of pocket over $1,000, just barely over $1,000, but about $1,000 to build. I've seen some people build VR gaming PCs for $700, but they wouldn't meet what I needed that I could find in that price. And Shadow PC is $11 a month, or I was paying $15 a month because I upgraded my storage with an extra, I think it was 500 gigs. So yeah, Shadow PC is a whole lot cheaper, and especially when you take into account what you need to do to upgrade your PC and the fact that Shadow's auto-upgraded, it's an amazing deal. Can't sing the praises enough. Next thing is portability. If I want to go to a friend's house and play PC VR, or I've got this guy, that's not going to work. But if I had a Shadow PC, I could go there as long as they've got good internet, or if I'm on a business trip, I can get in a hotel, have my phone connected to a keyboard and mouse, have Shadow PC on, and do all my work, all my business stuff, all my paperwork and everything right then and there. Really awesome. It's like a laptop, but it's in VR, and yeah, it's cool. And it's a little more portable, like I said, than that is. That being said, maybe you just need a laptop for that thing, but then you're not able to do all the VR stuff. So again, gotta look at your needs, see where you fit. But Shadow PC does that amazingly. So anyways, those are some of like the really good things that Shadow does that are better than a computer. Now for some other things. Oh, really fast, with Shadow, you want to upgrade your internet. I upgraded, I think you need about 60 to 100 to get the fullness out of Shadow. I upgraded to 300 because I've got other people in my house and I'm splitting internet with them, so I wanted to make sure that if I'm sharing bandwidth, I still could run Shadow and run it smoothly. Because there were times that I would try to run and it would just kind of be choppy because I've got a lot of people in the house. So, anyways, moving on. With my experience with Shadow, when I first played it, I loved it. Oh my gosh, it was amazing. Open new worlds. I could play PC VR for the first time, and it just ran amazing. And then I live streamed, and I got it a lot for the YouTube channel, and it just could not live stream. It chugged, and you can go back and look at my archive live streams. I'm kind of embarrassed by a lot of them. I'm complaining about it through a lot of them. It just had issues. That being said, when I wasn't live streaming, it ran a lot better, and I thought it ran perfect. And the reason I say I thought it ran perfect is because once I switched to this, and I had never done PC VR before, so if you guys have never done PC VR before, you're going to try Shadow. It's going to be amazing. If you have done PC VR before, you're going to notice what I found out when I tried this, and it's not a substitute for having a computer on your network and having a good computer. This just ran so much better. That being said, both of those problems might be fixed because I had Shadow Boost. Shadow Ultra is now available, $25 a month, so it's a little more pricey, but it has basically double the specs of what I was using, and that might fix all the problems. I'm getting rid of Shadow at the moment. I don't think I'm going to try Boost. I don't want to spend the extra money because it's the holidays and it's the end of the COVID year, 2020, and no one's got lots of money, and I just built this. So, yeah, I'm not going to be trying it. So, if you guys do get Shadow and it's not quite good enough, maybe try Boost before you build a computer. I would have, except when I was waiting for Boost for like about 4 months. And I kept seeing it was announced and waiting, but I finally ended up building this, and then now they've got Boost. Oh my gosh, I'm calling it Boost. Now they've got Ultra. Anyways, don't listen to me on anything. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyways, though, they also have another version called Infinite coming soon, and that one's like double Boost. So there's a lot coming, and I do definitely think Shadow PC or that kind of cloud computing is the future because it is so much more convenient than having to get this thing done. It's easier, amazing. It just isn't quite there yet, but we're on the precipice of this technology taking over, and I think Shadow is going to be one of those key players. And maybe a year or 2, 3 years down the road, this video is going to look so antiquated because Shadow will be so much better then. Now, that all being said, another problem I had was online competitive play. Now, if you're a casual gamer and you want to do like hang out, play some Rec Room, nothing competitive in Rec Room, just like hang out, do some basic stuff there, or maybe VR chat or big screen, stuff like that, or you want to play offline, you're fine. You're gonna have fun. You're gonna be amazing. It's gonna all be amazing and awesome and be the best. You want to play competitive play, you're sending a signal from your headset to the computer, which is really far away. It's sending the signal to a server, which is far away, sending the signal back to the computer, which is far away, and sending all that back to your headset, which is far away, and now you're reacting off of old video from that server and doing stuff. The ping rises when you play competitive multiplayer games, and you're shooting at ghosts. So I was hoping to do some population 1 on it and live stream with a computer rather than with Quest, because Quest sucks at live streaming and Shadow was not going to have it. I could play, but I was missing all my shots. I just felt bad, and I probably felt bad for the people watching because I'm like, it's not me, it's the computer, Shadow. They got this bad boy and it works so much better. So yeah, competitive play is not going to be the best on Shadow, and I don't think even upgrading your system is going to fix that. I think that's just a limitation with the technology at the moment, and like I said, down the road, I'm sure that's going to be fixed, but that's a down the road kind of thing. Like, long time down the road, well, year or 2. Moving on. Actually, that about covered it. Last thing I just want to say and emphasize is, if you're more casual, Shadow is going to be great for you. If you want to test the waters, Shadow is also great for you. Test it before you get in, buy a PC, VR capable computer, because if you are going to spending all that money, you might want to make sure you're actually going to enjoy it and use it. I use it for my YouTube channel. I also have been wanting to upgrade my computer for a while, so I feel great upgrading. And I don't have any regrets. But just realize, just think Shadow might be a kind of a stepping stone and chance to test everything out. And also, if it works for you, it's a lot cheaper and it is amazing. And I was kind of hoping to use Shadow for the rest of my life and never have to worry about a gaming rig. But it just wasn't. The technology is not quite there yet. I'm sure it will be later. Honestly, this is probably my last rig. I might upgrade some of the components in here down the road and then switch to cloud computing if it ends up where it looks like it's going. I'm almost definitely switching to cloud computing down the road. Anyways, those are my 2 cents. Take it for what it's worth. Oh, one more thing. The next few days, we're still doing the giveaway, Oculus Quest Elite strap. You have to comment on every video, and you get entries for each video you comment on, the day they're commented. And you also have to be subscribed to make sure your subscription's open so I can see that you're subscribed. Information's in the description of that. We hit 100 subs today, so woo! Oh yeah, I should have said that at the beginning of the video. We hit 100 subs today. Woohoo! Oh yeah, that's awesome. We hit a milestone. Anyways, yeah. So that means we've now got everything we need. We are going to be giving away that strap. I just need people's entries and their subscriptions. And yeah, information's down in the description because I'm horrible at explaining things. So watch that or read that down there. Yeah, watch that down there. See, like I said, I'm bad at explaining things. I don't know why I'm explaining this. I don't know how my other Shadow PC is getting so many views. I'm bad at explaining things. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. If you are watching this down the road, still subscribe even though I'm not doing it. You're not able to get the giveaway. It'd be cool if you subscribe and join our little family. Anyways, peace.